Hello folks, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to St. Bernard Acres, the home of the off-grid cabin. Gary and I are out here today. This is Sunday, December 4th, and it's pretty chilly, but we're going to be putting heater in, propane heater, and what I'm doing is changing it. The last couple years I've had one of the blue flame heaters, and what I want to do, get you inside, instead of that one with the blue flame, I want to use one of the infrared wall heaters. It's the same size, but I think I'll like this better. And the difference between the blue flame and the infrared, the blue flame heats the air. That's why when I've used it before during the winter, it'll still be cool down below it. The heat rises because it heats the air. This works like the sun. It heats objects. It'll heat all of the stuff in the room or in the cabin. That will heat up the air. So I think that will work better in these kind of instances. If you think about it, with the sun, it's 36 degrees out there right now. It feels a lot warmer in the sunlight than it does in the shade. It's the same temperature in the sunlight as it is in the shade, but the infrared from the sun is heating up your body and your clothes. So if that makes sense, that's what I'm thinking this should be like. That's what I'm hoping. But we'll find out. Let me get it all hooked up. We'll be back. Oh, before I leave, let me show you the temperature right now. And we're at a balmy 30 degrees in here. It is probably about 12:30. We'll be back. All right, folks, there it is. I purposely did not show how to install it because I don't want somebody blowing up their house and saying, well, I did it the way Joe told me. So installing it, you're on your own. But there it is. I didn't even look at the time. You got your phone? Or your watch?
Watch.
I mean, in reality, probably a half hour.
Yeah.
So a half hour to get it all installed. Get it on. We are at 30 degrees now, still. And it smells like a new heater. So we're going to go grab a bite to eat. We'll be back here in an hour. And if the cabin hasn't burned down, it ought to be nice and warm in here. We're going to go find out. Thank you, Gary. Can't even see you because it's so white behind you. Oh. All right, it's now 2:30. We're back. Good Subway sandwich. And we're going to see what happened in the hour and 15 minutes we were gone. It's quite warm, actually. Yeah, it's a new heater. I hate that smell. And it's almost 60 in here. So in an hour and 15 minutes, it's up to a balmy 60 degrees. So yeah, I would say this is going to be a success. And now, like I said, I can come out here now and clean this and give everybody a tour of the new of the cabin. But it's just so dirty right now. And it's been so cold, you don't want to be in here cleaning. Mm-hmm. But yeah, that's the new Dyna Glo. Man, you can really feel the heat out here now. You can't get any closer to it.
Yeah, I can feel it from here.
Yeah. Definitely better than that blue flame. Better than convection heat. Is it too hot?
No, it's just warm.
Yeah. It's what we want. But yeah, 60 degrees. And it's only been an hour and 15 minutes. So yeah, this is good. This is good. All right, let's go outside and blind everybody with the brightness. It's just cold out here now. I don't want to be out here. Anyway, that's the heat I needed. It's a beautiful day. It's cold, but I think the high today was going to be 40. I think it's about 38 right now. But it is gorgeous. Solar's kicking butt. Something knocked over my bird feeder, Jacob's hook. So some animal went running through. I think something went by what's going to be the power room. But yeah, I have that heater, and like every good prepper, I also have my Mr. Buddy heater. If that tank, let's say that tank ran out or the heater broke, I have my Mr. Heater Big Buddy with propane tanks, small tanks. I have kerosene heater with about 55 gallons of kerosene down in the bottom of the barn. So I have multiple heat sources out here. And as soon as I can afford to buy all the piping and everything, I have a small wood stove to install inside the cabin. So I'll basically have 4 heat sources in case I get stranded out here and run out of propane. Got backups for backups for backups. All right. The internet's working fine. My Wi-Fi is working fine. The cameras work great. I love being able to log on at home and see what's going on out here. Whew. Lovely. Lovely. So I'll be out here Friday. I'm going to stay Friday, Saturday, and Sunday and head back in Monday. Now that I got heat. Like I said, I'm going to clean the place up now and shoot a video just showing everybody, all the new subscribers, how I built it and, you know, what all was involved and how easy it was. What else? I'm going to do a live stream from out here as well. So Saturday night, everybody mark this on your calendars, St. Bernard Acres is going to do a live stream from the off-grid cabin with his high-speed internet. So, just looking at my other phone. Anyway, hope y'all enjoy this short little update. I'm gonna get off of here, go enjoy some of the heat for a little bit. I can sit out here and watch a football game now because I got the internet, I got the TV package, so I don't have to go back in. But I appreciate y'all watching. Remember to like, share, comment, do all that kind of stuff. I'll be back.